The swing is gradually being righted down, and they do actually want to attach the swing today. A much better look at the colours of it from this side. It's covered up at the moment, but it won't be for much longer. We can see the car for Wild Swing is indeed orange as well. The slack comes down and the swing is connected. Just like that. Now we'll keep an eye out, because when this falls down, we might get to see the actual swing part go on today. As we look over to the swing, you can see that it is held down, it is strapped down. So as you can see there, they can pull that crane off and then attach the base to the swing to it. Here we are watching the swing bit of the swing, if that makes sense, being installed onto the end of the arm. Now the other side has been done. So this is, well, the right hand side to where I'm standing as we're facing the ride. Now, as you can see on the bottom of these, there are 2 prongs or support pieces on the bottom of each one, and then that goes on to the swing itself, and that's what we're looking forward to hopefully seeing installed very soon. This is it. This is the Art Engineering swing coming over to be installed. And this thing is beastie. That thing must weigh, I was going to say a ton, but obviously weighs more than a ton. It was just sort of a saying, but it must weigh a lot. Now these are double-sided, as we said earlier. So you've got some facing this way to where we're standing and some facing out into Vikings. I'm not sure which way will be better, because you'll get some great views of the flight of the pterosaur and over to the Lost Kingdom. Or in reverse, you'll see down to Raven. And probably a bit of Draken as well. Now there's quite a lot of bolts to do up here before this can be left. I don't know how long this takes to do. I love that art cover that's over the top of it. I imagine the park will keep that for closed season when they're covering it up, but I have to say, I'd love one of those. So the bolts are being tightened, as you can probably hear, and then I imagine we'll see the straps come off, and I wonder whether or not we'll see the swing lowered to its natural position today, or whether or not they need to do some work on it before they do. The ropes have been lowered, so the swing is now hanging off its own accord. You can see the axes on where it swings. If you've not seen one of these before, we do have a video of the one from Paultons on the channel, which oddly is actually themed to Vikings as well. It's worth a look. These are fantastically fun rides. As they continue installation, you may see that they reach for the sort of pen thing, which you probably see when you go onto rides. So when they tighten the bolts, they can put that over, and it's a quick visual check then to make sure nothing's moved in the bolts. And they're actually adding that now as they do it, which is really, really quite cool to see. We are about to lower the gondola into its natural position. See the guys up the top have gone up and strapped themselves in, and then they'll slowly move it down. A nice bit of free swinging already, and you can see them swinging it down to position as it starts to move to its more natural stopping place. Obviously there's no electrics in it yet, so they can't exactly switch it on and do it. And this is the way arts are bringing it down. It's amazing how much manual labour is involved in doing these. You can tell sort of it's brand new what's required. Oh, it's just fascinating to see, it really is. I never thought I'd get to see an art engineering swing be put together and lowered down. And if you can't notice as well, it's worth noting exactly the swing movement is so fluid. If you haven't ridden one of these, you're waiting till you're on board. Honestly, it is brilliant. It really is brilliant. And then we're pretty much down. And the veiled swing has arrived at Paultons Park.